Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to control who can comments on my thread. Why would you want to know how to control who can comments on my thread? Well, maybe it is your first time using threads and not sure how to control who can comment on my thread. So today I am going to show you how to control who can comment on my thread. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Controlling who can comment on my thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will control who can comment on my threads. First of all, open thread app in your device, and now here is my threads home screen, and then click on pencil paper icon in the bottom of this page. Now first enter your post and then click on anyone can reply. Now I can switch it to only profile you follow or mention only. If I can mention anyone on this post, so that specific person can only reply me. Otherwise no one publicly comment on my post. And now how you can control comments on your threads. So there you go. If you were wondering how to control who can comment on my thread, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.